Have you ever wondered what happens to an airplane between landing and its next flight? From baggage unloading to refueling and cabin preparation, there's an entire team working behind the scenes. Today, from my window seat at the airport, let's watch this fascinating process unfold. As I sit by the airport window, I have a front row seat to one of the most interesting scenes in aviation thought. An aircraft has just arrived and is slowly making its way to the gate. The plane carefully approaches the terminal. On the ground, a marshaller uses hand signals to guide the pilot safely into position. Every movement is precise, ensuring the aircraft stops exactly where it should. Once the aircraft comes to a complete stop, the boarding bridge slowly moves toward the plane and connects to the cabin door. This allows passengers to safely enter and exit the aircraft. Next, ground service vehicles arrive. One of the first tasks is unloading luggage and cargo from the aircraft's cargo hold, located beneath the passenger cabin. Baggage handlers work efficiently to remove arriving passengers' bags and prepare for the next flight. Meanwhile, another important operation begins: refueling. Jet fuel is pumped into the aircraft through fueling ports located under the wings. This is one of the most critical steps in preparing the airplane for its next journey.
Behind the scenes, many teams are working at the same time. Cleaning crews enter the cabin, remove trash, and prepare the aircraft for new passengers. Catering trucks arrive to restock food, beverages, and other supplies. The flight crew and cabin crew also prepare for departure, conducting safety checks and ensuring everything is ready for the next flight. What may look like a simple turnaround is actually a carefully coordinated operation involving dozens of professionals. Within a short time, the aircraft is ready once again to welcome passengers and take to the skies. Watching this process from the airport terminal reminds us that every flight depends on teamwork, precision, and dedication. And soon, this aircraft will begin another journey to a new destination. The doors are closed, preparations are complete, and another journey is about to begin. Behind every flight is a remarkable team effort. The next time you board a plane, remember that dozens of people work behind the scenes to make your journey safe and comfortable. Thank you for joining me on this airport adventure. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, see you on another journey and another adventure. This is Nahid Sharman, signing off from the airport. See you in my next adventure. Bye for now.
Flying for a deer rider. Happy birthday. Thanks tomorrow.